Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Vocabulary Quiz. You will hear 25 questions. Take your time. Think carefully. Are you ready? Let's start.
Question 1. She is cooking dinner in the. Question 2. I need to. My room today. Question 3. I am. Can I have some water? Question 4. They like to. Movies on weekends. Question 5. Please take off your. At the door. Question 6. My. Is very friendly and helpful. Question 7. Can I? Your pen for a second. Question 8. This homemade cake is. Question 9. I have a dentist. At 3 p.m. Question 10. We need to go. Shopping today. Question 11. The new shop is in a very. Location. Question 12. He is. For cleaning the house. Question 13. After the long walk I felt. Question 14. Check the. Before you start cooking. Question 15. The building requires regular. Question 16. We bought some new. For the living room. Question 17. I have to do the. Every Sunday. Question 18. Washing dishes is my least favorite. Question 19. They plan to. Their old kitchen. Question 20. Let's. Our friends for dinner. Question 21. A. Was delivered to my house today. Question 22. The refrigerator is an essential. Question 23. There is too much. On the desk. Question 24. It was very. Of her to help me. Question 25. He looked at himself in the.